What a great day we've had so far.
Oh, thank
I had a
you.
good chat earlier with Marco, who's the programming engineer
Yeah.
for the production we've had here. But we're here today to talk about something else, which is the Fastems system. Really interesting system. I haven't seen many of them, but you have. So why would people invest in this equipment? And maybe we can take a little look.
Fastems is a company who makes automation, flexible automation, and helps the customer to do mainly the right things at the right time all the time. So that is our philosophy, and then we try to push all the customer to to improve the efficiency of the system. Okay. So with this case and all the other similar cases that we have in Italy and all over the world, we try to understand with the customer which are their needs, and based on that we help to develop the system. So all the systems are similar, all of them they have the same concept to have the customer, but they are every time a little bit different.
So show me, because this is a little bit like Lego. It's like building blocks, it's modular.
Yes, in this case, in this particular case, this is it's called FPS system. FPS is our modular system, so all the storages are modules. The weight on the crane is 3 or 6 meter modules, so we can select how many modules we can put, and it could start with a smaller one and could be
as long as you like.
Exactly,
yeah,
as long
so
as you like, or
we
can add in the future other modules when the customer needs.
As they grow, for instance, a little bit like you've done here, because this is kind of future-proofed.
Yeah.
But you've adjusted it according to the height, but you've actually based it, so I like what you're saying, the Fastems way of thinking.
Yeah.
And it's about a solution, not selling something, but about a solution.
Yeah, exactly. In this case, as example, this particular case with the customer, the customer needs to have 2 machines and they have to add a third one. They have a perfect idea about how many pallets they want in the system, but they have the limited space on the floor. So we studied together how many floor according to the height of the pallet and how many they want of pallets in the system. And we decided to have this particular layout.
Do you want to show me a little bit more? Because we see that there's already 2 modules in and you're hoping to get a little bit more.
Absolutely. So in this system they have, as I said, 2 machines and 2 loading stations.
These are loading stations here?
Yes, those are loading stations, and the operator can load and unload parts at the same time, or usually when they are loading one, they are unloading the other one. So the system can bring and get back the pallet alternatively.
So it's all about time saving as well?
Absolutely, because they are making this kind of job while the machines are running.
Right, okay. So do you want to talk us through a little bit the setup that we have here as well? We've got the moving crane here.
The crane is moving accordingly to the request from programming department.
Yeah.
And when programming department decided to send order to the system automatically decide which pallet has to bring to the machine and to which machine. So automatically is moving and moving the pallet into the machine in order that the part has to be machined. Once the pallet is finished, the crane bring back the pallet and or put in the unloading station, in the loading station to be unloaded, or in the storage. The main objective of this system is to leave the machine running, if possible, 24 hours.
Yeah, we were talking about the shift pattern that they do, which is really good. And you were telling me that you fulfill their needs. As in my terminology, tick all the boxes, but you were talking about what you do to fulfill the needs of the customer.
Because in this system, the part has to be machined all day, but especially fulfilling the request from the programming department. So the market, to follow the market requirement.
Yeah.
If the market is asking 3 pieces of one part or 10 pieces of another one, the system recognize or get the order from programming department and send information to the crane to do the task, the right task. So that's the reason why right things
Right
at the
right
time
time.
all the time.
I like that. And there's something else you showed me. I really like this because the order comes straight into this system here, doesn't it? So tell me a little bit more about this.
The heart of our system is our software, is the MMS. MMS is scheduling all the pallets, and it could be used in automatic mode, so the routing, automatic routing, or in manual mode. We usually use it in the automatic mode, so in routing. So we have to create the master data for the fixture, the master data for the pallets, master data for parts that has to be machined. We can load the NC program, we can load any details, also the tools inside of the system. And when we receive the order from programming department, we fulfill the task and we send the pallet into the machine, and the machine the parts.
I love that because it just comes straight in, doesn't it? Straight into here, Fabio. There's no messing about. Straight in here, pre-programmed, and then everything runs from there. And also the timings you were showing me on screen as well. Sometimes you also helps you with the lead time, so you know that you will be able to fulfill what the client wants.
Yeah,
right?
exactly, because our software has internally has the automatic scheduling of tasks that they have to do.
Yeah, it's what you showed me on here, isn't it? With like
yes,
the green
exactly.
lines and the different ones.
But by the way, it's a sort of automatic scheduling, and the system can give you the information if the task could be done in the right time or not, or some information are missing. So in case of some information are missing, they can pop up and tell you what is possible to do and what is possible to not to do. And so they can tell you if some order could be in late and why. And if some order could be in late, the system doesn't stop because there are some other pallets become the new priority, and so the machines never stop. So automatically it changes the priority in the list of tasks.
That gives you fantastic communication with the client as well, because you're managing what the customer's expectations are and you know what you can offer them.
Yes, you can have an overview of estimation of orders within 72 hours, or you can also have in 6 months.
Yeah.
So you can control all of your production looking this estimation.
Talking about hours and numbers, the final thing is the Fastems thing, which I think is you're very proud of it. Is that right? With the
yes,
8760.
our logo 8760 is obviously the 24 hours per day multiplied by 365 days. So it's the total amount of hours available in a year.
Yeah.
Our wish is to run the machine, or to let it run the machine for all these hours, or in any case to go closer as much as possible to this hour.
And please repeat again, because I like this. You've been telling me all day and I still can't remember it. Right things.
Right time, all the time.